Welcome to the HKUST Information Date. My name is Stephen Zhang, the lecturer of the Department of Accounting. In this video, I'll give you an overview of the BBA in Professional Accounting program.
Here is the content list. We'll give you an overview of the BBA in Professional Accounting program. Particularly, we are going to focus on the HKUST accounting curriculum and also the enrichment activities offered, which forms an important part of students' life. Further, we'll give you a glimpse of the employment information of our accounting graduates so that you have a better idea as to whether this fits into your career aspirations. Before we start with the accounting curriculum, we'd like to tell you what accounting is. Accounting is the language of business. This is what Warren Buffett, a legendary investor, said when he gave advice to a 17-year-old investment intern. Accounting is a means of communicating information about a business. Accounting helps both internal parties such as top management in the company and external parties such as the investors to understand what is happening inside of a business. As such, Warren Buffett also told the young intern to study accounting and integrate into his understanding and usage. This would help him to be successful in the business world. Accountants in the modern business world are required to analyze the accounting information to provide valuable insight into the operations, identifying trends and opportunities that can help make the company more profitable, and also be vigilant to detect any fraud when they find something fishy. To be successful accountants today, we need to move away from pure number crunching and become a business professional with a strong business acumen to resolve business issues and add value to the business. When we design the accounting curriculum, we have the following in mind. We aim to groom our students to be successful business professionals in accounting and also other business functions such as banking and finance. As you'll see shortly in the career section, studying accounting opens a door to other disciplines as well besides accounting. Our accounting curriculum is broad-based and emphasizes on multidisciplinary abilities and development of business acumen to enable our students to integrate them to resolve real-life business issues. Such caliber is high in demand in the business world. We also provide opportunities to students to participate in the variety of enrichment activities to enhance their learning experience and develop their business acumen. In the accounting curriculum, we have 3 different layers of courses to develop students with different skill sets to cope with real-life situations. The University Common Core aims to develop the general skill set. The courses include, for example, communication in both English and Chinese, quantitative reasoning, analytical skills, and so forth. We develop students with multidisciplinary business knowledge and skills through the school-required courses. These courses include, for example, economics, financial management, information system, business case analysis, marketing management, and fundamental accounting as well. In this way, students can broaden their business knowledge and develop their strong business acumen. As for the required courses for the accounting major students, we cover different facets of accounting such as financial accounting, management accounting, taxation, auditing, and the laws that govern business, and so forth. These areas of expertise are essentially the core competencies of the accounting profession that add value to business. We also have other electives such as corporate strategy, accounting, analytics for students to choose. The Professional Excellence course is one of HKUST accounting program highlights whereby we invite the partners from the Big Four accounting firms to give various seminars about different services provided by their firms such as risk management, cybersecurity, ESG, and so forth. These partners, who are the leaders of the firm, will also share about their work life, their hands-on practical experience and tips with our students how to become successful in the profession. The Big Four are the first-tier public accounting firms and considered by students as the most sought-after professional accounting firms to work for. They are Deloitte, EY, KPMG, and PwC. At HKUST, we are always in the forefront in the technological advancement. As the accounting faculty see the increasing demand for talent with data-driven insights, we have introduced the academic option of accounting analytics. What is accounting analytics? This is about how to use the big data in accounting field. Students choosing this option will learn the data analytics technologies and acquire general programming knowledge and skills. More importantly, students are trained with the analytics mindset so that they are able to utilize the relevant data analytics technologies to resolve accounting and business-related issues. With the addition of the accounting analytics, our accounting program provides more flexibility and choices to students according to their career aspirations. For example, students who wish to learn the language of the business and take a head start in a variety of business careers may just acquire the minimum credits to meet the accounting major graduation requirements. Students pursuing for the CPA qualification of the Hong Kong Institute of Certified Public Accountants, or HKICPA in short, can take the additional 3 credits to obtain the maximum exemptions of 10 modules and proceed to the professional stage of the HKICPA qualification program, the QP program. These students usually choose to work in public accounting firms like the Big Four or if students wish to develop their knowledge and skills in using data analytics in accounting, they can choose the AIR option. Students can also choose QP pathway and also the AIR option together. Choosing the AIR option will be helpful in their career in the public accounting firms as there are growing demand of talent in this area. Further, the flexibility of accounting curriculum also allows students to pursue dual majors if they wish to do so. At HKUST, it is very common that accounting students pursue an additional major. The HKUST accounting program is well recognized by the professional bodies. We are accredited by the local accounting body HKICP, whose qualification is well recognized by major professional accounting bodies worldwide. The accounting program is also accredited by a CCA, a British accountancy body, and CPA Australia. We offer and promote various enrichment activities for our students. These include the Student Exchange Program, internship, and various student development programs. These enrichment activities will develop our students with stronger business acumen. One of the exciting activities is no doubt the exchange program, whereby you can broaden your scope as well as gain the experience and perspective from the other culture. This will equip HKUST accounting students better when they come to work in a diverse cultural environment, which is very common in the international corporations in Hong Kong. We encourage students to take internship as accounting is a practical subject requiring actual working experience. At HKUST accounting, it is not uncommon that accounting students take a break for a semester or even an academic year to take up internship. Students may also try different types of internships, for example, one in the Big Four accounting firm and the other in the banking or finance sector to help them to decide which career path they will go for after graduation. We encourage and support accounting students to participate in student development activities. For example, we have collaborated with our business partners such as the Big Four and other corporates to offer cadet program to our students. We encourage students to participate in case competitions to develop abilities to solve real-life problems. Students working as a team develop a strategy to address real-life business issues. This provides a good opportunity to our students to develop and exercise their business acumen. HKUST students quite often achieve outstanding results in the competition, reconfirming their real-life problem-solving skills. All in all, the HKUST accounting students always stay engaged not just with their academic affairs, but also with the variety of enrichment activities that they don't want to miss. HKUST Business School is first in Hong Kong, 12th in Asia and 47th in the world. As for the 2024 QS World University Rankings, by subject in accounting and finance, we are 7th in Asia and 34th in the world. This reflects the world-class quality of our accounting program. Further, this also confirms our academic reputation as well as employer reputation, as these two components account for most weights in the QS ranking. What about our accounting graduate placement? Over 90% of graduates are full-time employed upon graduation. Majority of our graduates have 2 or more job offers, and 66% of our accounting graduates are recruited by Big Four, the most sought-after accounting firms. Over 80% of graduates obtained their first job offer before graduation, and 70% of them secured the first offer within a month after graduation. So what about job nature of our graduates? While majority of accounting graduates work for accounting, auditing, or taxation, there are also a variety of jobs with different nature that are open to our graduates. For example, there are significant percentages in banking finance, 16%, and management and admin, 8%. Some of our graduates work in the IT side as system analysts, computer programming, and others. On the employer list, other than the big, there are a variety of other companies. There is a good number of international and local banking groups such as JP Morgan Chase, HSBC, BNP Paribas, Hang Seng Bank, and so forth. Other employers include Bloomberg, Hong Kong SAR government. Based on the job nature and employers list, we can tell that the skills students learn through studying accounting at HKUST are transferable and can be applied to many other disciplines, as our students are trained to be business professional and excel in the fields that they enter. I hope this presentation gives you a better understanding of the HKUST accounting program. If you have further questions, please note the contact information on the PowerPoint slide. Thank you for watching.